Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I am going to show you how to solve the Canon Scanner LIDE 300 error problem. Error code is 215633. Please watch this video till to the end. There are so many error code problem solution. You can watch it from this side, or link this is the Canon error code side. If you have other error problem, you can watch this side. Now go to the control panel by pressing Windows plus R key and type control. Your control panel will open and click on Programs and Features. Click on all unnecessary software from control panel, especially Canon related software. At last remove Canon Scan LIDE 300 scanner driver. Click on Start, click on Yes. Now your old Canon Scan LIDE 300 driver is uninstalling from the computer. I am sharing you that if you have any Canon scanner driver, you have to remove it or uninstall it. It means remove Canon scanner driver. Now click on Complete. Details about this machine: super slim design for flexible storage, 2400 dpi optical scan resolution, provides ultra-high resolution in photo and document scanning, powered by USB, AC adapter is not required. Auto document fix function delivers easy-to-view scan results in high-color reproduction of images and clear text. Auto slanted document correction automatically rotates slanted document caused by OK, here is also one scanner support driver. Remove it also. Click on it. Click on Yes. Click on OK. Now open browser from your computer and search Canon LIDE 300 driver. Remove temporary file from your PC, press Windows plus R key, type %temp%, and then press Enter, and select all file by pressing Ctrl plus A, to select all and press Delete. Your all temporary file will deleted. Click on Canon India, click on Download. The driver start to download, which is shown here now after download file. Open the download location and double-click on it. It will start to install the latest driver of Canon LIDE 300 driver. Click on Next. Select Asia. Click on Yes. Now your file is installed. If you remove the USB cable from computer, then insert it. Now click on Complete. Close all folder and browser. Open Photoshop or any scanner software. I have a Photoshop, so I will show from Photoshop.
Click on File, click on Import and select WIA Canon Scan LIDE 300. Now Scan Utility Tools will open. Click OK Scan. Wait till to image appeared on screen. OK, now scanned image is here.
In another process, close Photoshop. Now go to Windows bottom. Click on Windows Fax and Scanner Utility will open. Click on Scan. Now it is ready. Now the scanner is ready to use. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.